The motor of Tesla Model S leaks and breaks down every day. When I drive it, the motor buzzes badly and the car can't be driven. I told Lao Ma several times to change the motor, but he just won't do it.
First, lower the rear axle of the Tesla. Pick up the Sanfei electric district in your mouth. Remove the screws on the rear end rod of the motor, disassemble the motor, and remove the cooling water pipe of the motor. Change to a new one. Apply sealant. Restore the motor end. Reinstall the cooling tube. Reinstall the electric drive assembly. Subtitles Li Zongxing.
The special motor can be repaired and the car can be driven normally. It will save tens of thousands of visitors to the car fair and help you understand the trams better.